Hi friends, today we'll be working on subtracting unlike denominators and borrowing with some of our whole numbers and our fractions, which are called mixed numbers. So here we have the mixed number of 9 1/4, and we're subtracting 2 6/8. All right, so the first thing I need to do is look at my denominators. And I circle my denominators and I realize that these denominators are not the same. So I have to do a little bit of math to get common denominators. So I'm going to do multiples to find my least common multiple. I'm going to start with the number 4. If my denominator is 4, I'm going to skip count by 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and I could keep going. Down here I have a denominator of 8, so I'm going to skip count over here by 8, 8, 16. Oh, I didn't have to go any further because I can already see that 8 is my least common multiple. So if my denominator is 4, like right there, friends, 1, 2, I'd have to multiply my numerator and my denominator by 4 because anything I do to my numerator, I have to do to my denominator. If my denominator is 8, right there, whoops, I have to multiply by 1 because there was exactly one skip count from 8 to get to 8. All right, so down here I have a denominator of 4. Denominator 4, I have to multiply my numerator and my denominator by 2. Times 2 times 2. This is where I get cranky. People are not bringing their whole numbers over. Bring your whole number 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 over. Okay, bring my whole number over of 9. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Down here, a denominator of 8, so I have to multiply my top numerator and denominator by 1, but I need to bring over my whole number. My 2 is going to come over. 6 times 1 is 6. 8 times 1 is 8. Okay, I'm also bringing my subtraction sign over and my equal sign. Now, I look at my denominators. They are the same. So I think to myself, okay, well, let's subtract my numerators. 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6. Can't do it, guys. All right, no worries. I can borrow. So I'm going to go over to my next door neighbor, my whole number 9. I'm going to say, 9, I really need one of your numbers. The 9 is going to become an 8. And this is the part where my friends are getting stuck. 8 and 1 more will make the number 9. Now, I can't put a 1 over here. I have to use a fraction. I can use 2 halves. I can use 3 thirds. I can use 4 fourths. I can use 5 fifths. I can use 6 sixths, 7 sevenths, 8 eighths, 9 ninths, 10 tenths, 11 11ths, 12 twelfths. Here, to make my life oh so super easy, I see denominators of 8. And I think to myself, what would a really easy denominator be for this problem? Oh, it's 8. And I know in order to have 1, because I borrowed, the 9 became an 8, and I still need that 1 more to make my 9. 8 eighths is just like saying the number 1. Just like it. So, this is the new step that we've kind of added in since we last met. All right, I'm still going to bring over that whole number. It still counts. It's still part of this mixed number. The whole number now is 8. Now, I have like denominators. So my bottom denominator is still going to be 8. Now my numerator is 2 plus 8 is the number 10. And I know that this is improper. It's okay right now because I'm working with subtracting. Here we go. I didn't have to do anything to this. I didn't have to borrow. I don't have to rename, nothing. This whole problem, this whole mixed number comes on over. Bring over my subtraction, bring over my equal signs. Now I have like denominators. Drop it down. Boom. 10 minus 6 is 4. And 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 and 4 eighths. And it would so be glorious if that was done. But it's not. I have to simplify. I have to do my factors for 4 and my factors for 8. My factors of 4 are 1 and 4 and 2 times 2. My factors for 8 are 1 and 8, 2 times 4. So I see that my greatest common factor is 4. So I have to divide my numerator by 4 and divide my denominator by 4. I still have to use my whole number. Still have to use that whole number, friends. 6 is still my whole number. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. My final answer is 6 1/2. Good luck, friends.